Then I give you one.
Yes, sir. Can you please help?
Okay, now let's go on. All right. On this one, watch out. They say PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral, which means they have given us already information there, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, watch and see that I was told that this line, the RS, is parallel to line QP. Why? Because of this sign here. That is why two of them are parallel. And because they are parallel, any line that cut across it is called transversal line. Therefore, QS is transversal. And what does it mean? It means that the angle here is equal to the angle here. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Now, going forward, if I know that this angle here, watch out, it has a lot of information embedded inside the question. I want you to see that PS is a chord, YPB is tangent, and the angle between PS and the PB is 35. Automatically here also will be 35. What is my reason? Angle between a chord and tangent is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Because of that, you can now say 80 plus 35 plus angle what? QPS. QPS is equal to 180. My reason is the angles in what? A triangle. Therefore, QPS is equal to 180 subtract 35 plus 80 will give me 115. Isn't it? That is 35 at Q plus 80 will give me 115. Therefore, QPS is equal to 180 minus 115 should give us what? 65. Look at the place that is 65. Here is 65 degrees. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Now, but they have already told us this information on the top that the PQRS is a cyclic quadrilateral, meaning A, it means that angle A plus what? 65. Hold on. I want to make it unique. So it means that angle A plus 65 should be equal to 180. What is it? Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are equal. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, letter A should be equal to 180 subtract 65, which makes letter A to be equal to 115 degrees. Now we have found letter A. Are you there? And remember what I told you earlier? I said that the angle, because this RS is parallel to QP, that any angle at this place is equal to the angle here. We call it alternate angles. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, this place is also going to be what? 35. Your work is completed. What do you now do? A plus B plus 35 equal to 180. Sum of angles in a triangle. Does it make sense?
Yes, sir.
So I write A, and the A is already known. So I can just quickly write the value of A. Okay? So I write B, small letter B, plus A, which is known as 115, plus 35, which is the angle I got by alternate angles, all right, should be equal to 180. Sum of angles in a triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle. So what will I do now? The value of B now will be equal to 180 subtract 35 plus 115. What is it going to give us? 35 plus 115 will give us 150. So I subtract 150. And that is going to give me 30 degrees. In conclusion, the value of B is equal to 30 degrees. And the value of A is equal to 115 degrees. If you look at it, you will see that A is an obtuse angle because that space is very large. And if you look at it, you see that angle B is an acute angle because that space is small. So this is the accurate way this question can be solved. Just take a very good look at it and tell me if you have questions for me.
mmadụ si